In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Akiflow to Notion. If you've ever wanted to streamline your productivity tools and make sure your tasks are synchronized across platforms, this is a method you'll find incredibly useful. Let's walk through the steps to get these two powerful productivity tools working together seamlessly. First, you'll need to access the integration settings in Akiflow. Start by opening up the Akiflow application. You can do this on either the desktop application or through the web app, so whichever method you prefer will work just fine. Once you're in the app, look for your avatar or profile picture. You'll typically find this in the top right corner of the interface. Go ahead and click on that, which will reveal an option that says Settings. We'll head into Settings to access the tools we need. Within the Settings menu, you will see a list to the left. Look for the Integrations tab and select it. This is where all potential application connections live. Now, we're looking for Notion, so scroll through the options and click on the Notion integration. This will bring up all the settings specific to integrating Notion with Akiflow. The next step involves connecting your Notion account to Akiflow. Once you're in the Notion integration section, you'll see a Connect button. Go ahead and click on it. This action will trigger the opening of a new window, which will redirect you to the Notion authorization page. If you aren't already logged into Notion, the page will prompt you to log in. Enter your credentials and return to the authorization page. Now comes the important part: choosing the specific Notion pages and databases you want to integrate with Akiflow. It's crucial to remember that Akiflow can only import tasks from Notion pages that are part of a database, so make sure to select the appropriate ones. Browse through your options and grant access to each database you'd like to synchronize. This means giving permission to Akiflow to access these spaces for task importation, which is key for keeping your task management smooth and efficient. Once you have made your selections and are confident with the access you're granting, look for the Allow Access button. Click on this button to finalize and complete the connection process. And that's it! You've successfully linked Akiflow with Notion. By completing these steps, you've created a powerful sync that can dramatically improve how you manage tasks across these platforms. With your Notion tasks now accessible in Akiflow, you can have a centralized productivity system that keeps you on top of your game. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.